6.0. I do have the electric fans, so I don't have the fan shroud or the fan that screws onto that belt. Basic cold air intake, long tube headers from Speed Engineering, like I was talking about before. We got the Trailblazer SS manifold. The Trailblazer SS manifold bolts right in. They're just 80-pound injectors, some Amazon brand. And yeah, the headers, the only difficult thing about them, I guess it's not most headers actually. The plugs actually, the boots rub on the tubes, so they will melt. So you have to either get different spark plug wires, or you have to get boots that go on them. That's really it. There's nothing too crazy. Instead of the factory 317 heads, I have the 799s, which they flow the same rate. Everything's the same on them, except they have different chambers. So they actually have a little bit. Well, these have a little bit more compression because there's a smaller chamber. The 317s have like a 71 cc chamber, and the 799s have a 64.45 cc chamber. So it does help a little bit. It does help with compression. More compression equals more horsepower. So yeah, that's all that. The truck is dropped down. It's a 4.6 drop by Belltech. I got 2-inch springs up front and a 2-inch drop spindle. These are Dub Future wheels. They're 22 by 9.5, I think. And then the tires are 285 35 22s. So it does rub up front up here in the inner fender well. It's not the prettiest thing, but I like being able to rotate my fronts to the rear, because my rears always wear more than my fronts. So that's the problem I always run into. I do have the Speed Engineering traction bars as well. It's a bolt-on kit. They bolt right up front, and then if you come back around here, they bolt in underneath where the axle is, where it bolts the axle to the leaf spring. Got my custom Band-Aid, little roll pan. It has a Eaton Trutrac posi. That's really it. This is basic build. 6.0, 4L80, dropped, traction bars. It's ready for some boost or something. But I mean, it's my daily, so I can't get too old. So I'll give you guys a couple revs, maybe like 6 grand, maybe 5 grand, who knows? Maybe 7. I don't know how I'm feeling today. But all right, well, hang tight. You'll hear it in a second. That's a good one. All right, guys, tune in next week for that full rip against that WRX STI, and we'll do a little bit more in-cabin ride-arounds. Maybe do a couple more full rips. Sound good? Sound good. Yep, I like it. That's what we're doing.